Tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac, with a backyard that feels like your own private retreat. This one is easy to fall in love with. Hi, I'm Susie Torres with Carolina One Real Estate. Let me show you around. Inside, you'll find a bright open layout that connects the living room and kitchen, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen features a center island, plenty of cabinet space, and a clean, classic design, while the living room offers a cozy fireplace and durable luxury vinyl flooring throughout. Upstairs, the primary suite gives you a private retreat with a walk-in closet and relaxing garden tub, along with 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. But the real standout is the backyard, fully fenced with wooded views, a spacious deck, garden space, and even a fire pit for those low country evenings. With major updates like a 2025 roof and 2023 HVAC already done, this is one you don't want to miss. Let's schedule your showing.